Hello everyone. So in this video, we will see about the block command. So basically, first we will see about how to create the block. Later at the end, I will show you how what are the key features of this block command. Basically, what are the benefits of creating the block. So first we will learn how to create the block. So for that, let me draw some steps. So you can see I have just drawn some objects here, and currently I can select this object individually, right? You can see I am selecting this object individually. So once I make the block command, then I can select the all this at a single click. So to convert this object into block, you need either you can just follow from here. Alternatively, you just need to type here command B, and on the top you can see block command come. Just press enter, and now here this kind of window will open up, right? So here you can see you can just specify your base point. Just pick a point, you can just specify anywhere. Now you just specify your base point, and you can see your dimension x and y. Now you just need to select the object. So you just need to click here on here, and you can select your object from here. Right. Now just press enter. Again, this kind of window will open up. Now you can see here are total three options: retain, convert to block, and delete. So what are basically these three options? Means uh, let me show you. If you click on the retain and if you press the OK, then your this object will remain on the screen. And let me show you. Just let me click on the OK, and yeah, I need to enter here a name. So let me press type a name as A, and now let me press OK. So you can see you can still click this object as a single. See, these are still not converted. So you can insert your block from here. See, I just put name of the block as A. You can just bring it from here. Now, if you select the object from here, so you can just select the complete object in a single click, right? And now now let me delete this one. Okay, so now let me show you another option. Pick a point. Now select your object. Yeah, press enter. Now, if you select your second option, then you can basically directly convert. You can basically directly convert this object into. Uh, Let me first take another step. Right. Let me take this one. Yeah. Now click on B enter, and for this object I'm creating taking a name as a B. Take pick a point. Now select object. Yeah, I selected the object. Now press enter. And if you select your second option, convert to block, then your this block will directly convert to block. See, if you select your this object, see you can just completely select your object. See, you can just move at a single click, right? This one is your pick point, right? If you remember, we have just mentioned. So if you wanted to insert, you can just insert your B object from here also, right? And now let me make it more object. Now B enter, pick. pick point. Just let me take a pick point. Select area. We have taken this one area, press enter. Now if you select your delete option, then if you select on OK, then you, yeah, name must be necessary. Just see. Now if you select, you can see your objects are deleted basically. And if you see your object in the insert section, you can have this object here, right? So now let me show you more option here. So here you can see in the behavior section, you can see this scale uniformly and allow exploding. So basically, uh, till that we didn't choose these two in our previous block, right? If you just click on this scale uniformly, then basically what happened, you when you just basically insert your this block, then you can control your scale also, right? I will show you how once I close this window. So for that, whether you wanted to scale your drawing in uniform manner or in non-uniform manner, so I will show you how we can do that, right? And if you just select on the allow exploding, then basically you can again break your if you just stick on this alloy exploding, right, then you can basically again break your this basically block into this line, right. We have just drawn this block with that of this line, so you can again break this block into basically objects, right. So now let me show you uh, this scale uniformly. Just let me click from here. Now, if we can insert from here also, and we can just type here command I see on the top insert come, just press enter. So now you can see here, you can just you can just doing your drawing by putting scale factor here in x direction, in y direction, and in z direction. Now let me show you. I just wanted to scale it as a 5 times in x direction, and y. I just didn't wanted to change in y direction, right? So I will just bring this drawing, and you can see I just scale in basically 5 times in x direction. You can see, uh, just let me put it here. Now, just close here, and you can see because I just I didn't choose this. Because I didn't selected this scale uniformly, then I have flexibility to choose whether I just wanted to scale this block in uniform manner or in a non-uniform manner. I have this flexibility because I just didn't choose it scale uniformly. If you just stick here, then you can't just do in this manner. You have to be in equal proportion. If you put x1, then automatically your y will be 1. If you put x5, then automatically your y will be 5. That's how you scale uniformly work. And in alloy coding, I already told, right? If you just stick here, then you can just again break this complex object, basically this block, into a number of objects again. So now let me explain you what are the key benefits of using this basically block command. So for that I will open this Word file, and you can see here I've written total 3 points, right? So let me explain you first one. You can create block of a specific object, then insert it multiple times. Basically, you can just create any block, and you can just insert it again and again. Basically, you can use this command for for object which are needed you in drawing again and again, like I can say door, window, basically this kind of thing which are required you again and again. And see what second point says. The blocks helps reduce file size, right? Blocks, when you make the block, then your file size are reduces. How? Because basically once you make the block, then it it stores only one block data, right? No matter how many times you inserted it, right? It only stored one block data. It no matter how many times you have just inserted it, right? So what third point says, if there is any change in your block, then you just need to make changes in your basically only one block, and it will updated in all of your blocks which are in the drawing of similar type.